The 24th gift, the way to alchemize the shadow and raise the vibration. Invention. Invention is creativity. The gift is always about creativity and love. It's your contemplation springing into action. It's surprising. It's exciting. It's the only thing that has enough oomph in it to pull you out of the gravity and draw you into the light. This trinity, the shadow, the gift, the city, requires a leap of faith, a trust that there's more. Deep down, you know it is truth. So it requires a leap of faith, a trust, and a reaching out. And then the greater being on the other end of the tunnel reaches out back, and you pass through the tunnel into the beyond, into the light. It's interesting if we consider the 12-step program of the AA, because the program does exactly this, what I'm describing. So it's a universal process of transformation, and that's why these are called the 64 transformational ways, paths. And that's what the I Chings are. It's called the Book of Changes. And of course, each of the 64 I Chings has a different angle, a different language, but essentially they're all the same way, the same path. Here in the 24th I Ching, we have to consider the nature of the 24th I Ching. Its original name, the turning point, the return, the translation from the I Ching in Chinese. It's about going back into the roots in order to change the pattern. We return back to the essential. We examine where we come from and where we have arrived. And this gift can be a huge turning point for you if you allow it to be. There's a well-known Chinese proverb, sow a thought, reap an action. Sow an action, reap a habit. Sow a habit, reap a character. Sow a character, reap a destiny. So once we have done our shadow examination, we have identified an addictive pattern in our nature, something that drags us down rather than lift us up. Now I invite you to sow a thought. Think about this pattern and how you may reinvent it. This is the gift of invention. Let something completely new bubble up from within you. What else might you create with this energy? How can you use it to lift you up? Don't rush for an answer. Let it come to you from the city, from the silence. Give it time to come to you. This is the art of contemplation. The soil of contemplation is time and space. Invention isn't something that you do. It's something that happens through us. It comes from the unknown. And when that insight comes through, let it move into action. Let that action be something